Have you ever yawned after someone else? It feels unavoidable, right? Yawning is more than just tiredness. It's a fascinating phenomenon. Let's break down why yawning spreads like wildfire. Firstly, yawning helps to cool our brains. A cooler brain works better. When we see someone yawn, our brain registers it. We mirror their action instinctively. This is called social mirroring. Our brains are wired to connect with others. Next, yawning can signal empathy. When we yawn together, we bond. It's a way of showing we're linked to each other's feelings. For example, if friends are together and one yawns, the others likely follow. This shows our natural urge to understand and relate to one another. In summary, yawning is contagious because of brain cooling and empathy. Next time you yawn, remember how connected we all are. Share this with your family and friends. Let's keep the yawning going.